Hello, my name is Iwan Prasetya and I want to talk about anticipate the negative impacts on implantable commercial product. So listen carefully. Green technology is claimed as a new technique to produce energy or product that don't pollute the lives. As an example, Homer H. Abbasi during the LITE conference webinar, Wireless Sensing for In-Home Monitoring. Dr. Abbasi developed a new product called Implantable Sensing for In-Home Monitoring. These implantable commercial products are a new technology that focuses on the health sector as a tool to overcome a disease. This new technology has sparked debate in the community because the product is not safe, which can cause stroke due to a strong electric shock. Therefore, developed countries are still trying to research to improve it. First, implantable commercial product is not guaranteed to be 100% harmless. Secondly, implantable commercial products possibility that might occur a stroke due to the danger of stroke due to a strong electric shock, and digestive tract disorder because the implant is also consumed by the wearer. For this reason, the developed country want to improve this implanted technology so that it is safe to use. So there is no doubt about its safety. In conclusion, the safety of implantable commercial product is still questionable. Therefore, we don't agree with the existence of this latest technology. Thank you.